wanted to make a super quick video. Just wanted to show you the Echeveria Lilacina. Echeveria Lilacina is an awesome plant, awesome succulent, beautiful structure. It's a good plant to have indoors or outdoors. So this one is in my greenhouse and it gets a decent filtered light, like, you know, really good sunlight though. It's not bright light, it's actual filtered sunlight. And then this is bright light, barely bright light, inside my house on a shelf, and it has not adiolated. It keeps its structure, and if anything, it develops a really nice pink in the edges there that this one does not have. So I just wanted to give you, if you are looking for a succulent, especially in Echeveria, because many people like Echeveria for the way they look. They kind of remind, I guess, people of flowers or roses. If you want a good one and that has beautiful color and does not elongate, it doesn't stretch out, and it has a beautiful color, a unique color, Echeveria Lilacina is a good one to purchase and to have indoors if you're looking for a succulent that won't stretch out on you, to have indoors in bright light, like by a window. And it does not get direct sunlight at all because it's on a shelf, and then there's other shelves on top of it, so it doesn't get direct sunlight. Watering, I don't water this one as much as this one. I probably can go 2 weeks without watering this plant. To be honest, I'll forget more about my indoor plants than my outdoor plants, because many times I'm too busy taking care of these that I forget. I keep putting off taking care of the ones inside. But I mean, I do look at them though. I'll just forget to stop and water. But yeah, also because it's inside, so it requires less water. But yeah, as long as your soil is completely dry, you can go ahead and water. And that's all I wanted to share with you guys about the Echeveria Lilacina. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye guys.